Well, checking up on economic development in our area and how it's so important to keep businesses local. Joining us today, we've got Dave Stratton. He's the president and CEO of Allen Economic Development Group. And then we have Jeff Hager. He is the plant manager at Randall Bearings. And thank you, Dave and Jeff, for joining us today.
Hi, Holly. Good to be with you.
All right, so let's talk about this, Dave. You guys work so hard, to get like an industrial park and work on getting businesses to town, but you also want to keep businesses like Randall Bearing in town too.
Yeah, we're so proud of Randall Bearings. Great to have Jeff with us today. Our mission at Allen Economic Development Group really is threefold. We want to attract new business. We want to see wonderful, great jobs created for our residents. And then, even more importantly, we want to enhance and support our local businesses like Randall Bearings. We love working with them. What's transpired over the last 3 or 4 years has been outstanding.
Yeah, so Jeff, let's talk about that. Randall Bearings kind of looking around for a new location, and I guess Dave kind of helped you find out there's that space in the Gateway Shawnee Industrial Park. So tell us about your project.
Yeah, Allen Economic Development Group did a great job of just listening to our needs, understanding what we needed in space, land, utilities, and so on, and brought all the groups together through Port Authority and township groups and local Allen County and Lima groups. Did a real nice job.
So I'm assuming the building you're in now, you kind of outgrew it, or did you want to expand things? Why were you looking for new space?
We've seen significant growth over the last 20 years and really have outgrown our facility. Not only outgrown it, the layout and the internal workings just don't work for our business today.
So tell us about the new project. We're looking at the land, but you've got the building going. So what's the timetable here?
We're pretty excited. We're getting ready to start moving the equipment actually this week. And through the next several months, we'll be moving into the new building, and excited for our employees. It's going to be a nice, fresh look, new facility, fully air conditioned, great lighting, which is super important for our product line to be able to find quality issues.
Yeah, I guess we should have explained that too. What does Randall Bearings make? What do you guys do?
Well, we've been in business over 100 years and transitioned a lot through the years. Currently, we are a precision machine facility. But the one thing that stayed true is we focus on bronze materials. It's a bit of a niche industry, and we're one of the largest in the field.
So will this new facility help you expand, get new customers? I don't know. What do you think the future looks like now?
Yeah, we really believe it will. We're getting ready to expand out into aerospace, which, again, that AS certification will give us another customer group. But even within the groups we're in now, we have a lot of growth opportunities. It's just been constrained by employment and facilities.
Right, yeah, wow. So that's exciting for you guys starting to move in and everything. So Dave, this is exciting because you're keeping Randall Bearings in the county, and it's an example of how everyone can work together and, expand and get better.
Yeah, let me just say, I'm so thankful for Jeff and for Randall Bearings. I would ask anybody out there to consider, if they have a desire for a job and have a need for employment, check out Randall Bearings. They've been tremendous for us to work with. They're now a cornerstone in Gateway Shawnee Industrial Park. And if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have a 1,000-foot road with all the utilities and all. We want to service them well, and we're looking for other businesses to come into that space. But again, Randall Bearings and Jeff have been tremendous to work with.
Yeah, it sounds like just a win-win for everybody. Exciting projects, and hopefully more to come then, Dave, in that area?
A lot of this has been the vision of the commissioners from the past, Holly. And we've got to give credit to where credit's due. Even Jeff Sprague, a number of years ago, my predecessor, really had a vision to work with Jeff. He really started the process with Randall Bearings. And the goal then is to see what we can do to enhance business down in that area. Keeping Randall Bearings here, they could have gone many places, but we want them in Allen County, and they chose to land on McLean Road. And so, Jeff, I want to thank you for all the work. We've worked with them closely, Holly, with incentives, looking at infrastructure needs, looking at some kinds of a financial assistance, working with Jobs Ohio. We do all these things for the betterment of our business community, in this case, Randall Bearings.
All right, exciting stuff. Jeff, good luck on moving everything over and getting started in your new home.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, thanks, Jeff and Dave, for joining us. Don't go away. Noon Edition continues in a moment.